sizes, so they come in different sizes. So we have this size, we have biggest size is 2 inches, the smallest size like this one. So depending on what you will be taught or what you require to use. So here are the fittings. Such big ones. This is called a elbow. And it's a female elbow because it has these threads inside. They come in different sizes too. Like this one is 3/4 by 3/4. Or another one we can say it is 25 mm by half. So we go to the other item. Its thread is outwards. It's called a male socket, or we can call it an adapter, male adapter. So this is 1 inch by 1 inch. When we say it's 1 inch, we mean it is 1 inch. It's 32 mm, 32 millimeters. Sorry. Here we have female socket. We have said we call it a female because the threads are threaded in ones. This is 3/4 by half. In another word, we can say it is 25 mm by half. This also you can guess. Check. It has its threads in one. Another female socket, or we can call it an adapter. We can say it is a female adapter. We have another male adapter. Like I told you, they come in different sizes. This is the commonly used adapter. It is called a 3/4 by 3/4, or you can say it is 25 mm by 3/4. This is a female, not a female, it's a male because the threads are threaded outwards. This is a bigger size, it's 1 inch by 1 inch. This is the same thing but smaller size. It is here, it's bent at 90 degrees but threaded as male at half, or you can say it's 20 mm. This is a female elbow. They also come in different sizes. Like this one is 3/4 by 3/4. I've told you 3/4. It's commonly used. It's the most commonly used PPR. So its accessories are also commonly used. So you find when you use a PPR pipe of 25 mm or 3/4 like this one, you'll find at the end of the day you'll have to use accessories which are 25 mm in size. So this is a female elbow, 25 mm. Say this is a socket or an adapter, male. So we have something called plain T. This is a plain T. Yeah, this is the biggest size. This is 2 inches. We have small sizes like this one, 3/4 by 3/4. This is plain. It's plain because it doesn't have threads in either 3 sides. It is usually split in 90 degrees. So like this one is 32. 32 we said is like 1 inch. 25 mm like we have said it is like 3/4. So and these teeth, sometimes they are reduced. You find you want to use your pipe here a straight connection of 1 inch, and then you need to reduce to either 3/4 to either 20 millimeters. So you find there are tees which are reduced. Like this one, this is a 40 mm tee. It's a 40 mm. 40 mm means it's a 40 mm is bigger than the 1 inch. So it is 1 1/4. So here it's 1 1/4 pipe, but here it is reduced to 1 inch. Female double elbow. It's called a female double elbow because about them being called clever.
Oh, sasa